Hey, my Tea Party Squad and new planner friends. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. You guys, I won a giveaway from Jane's Agenda, and I won this back in May, and so I just got an opportunity to share this with you guys. And I wanted to show you guys what all came in the May subscription box. Now, I do know that May's box is all about taking care of the queen. That's me. That's you. And so I wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys, and I'm all about self-care. So, oh my goodness, do y'all see the burgundy and like the hunter green? Oh my goodness, I love this. So, of course, it's all things self-care because that's about taking care of ourselves, right? So I do notice right off the bat this beautiful satin eye mask, which I will be using. This is so cute and so on time. Also, we get like a nice little velvet bag and a scrunchie. That's great to keep in that eye mask and the scrunchie to pack on the go if you're wanting to go like on a spa day. That'd be really cute. And y'all know I'm all about the teas, right? They also included an herbal tea, Sweet Dreams. Yes, set the mood. Oh, all right. And so this is really cute. Okay, so this is the content card that lets you know what's all in the inside. But I do love how it has the queen of the card deck. That's really cute. And then we get this beautiful bag. Let's see what's in the inside. Ooh, so we get a nice 14 karat plated bangle in that velvet pouch. Really, really cute. Love that. And then what else do we get? We got some planner cards. Oh, I love these. Mind of a Queen, Heart of a Warrior. Yes. I love these little planner cards. You can definitely dress this up with your planners in those little planner pockets. And then we also get, I believe this is, it could be like a little bookmark. I love it. Yeah, it's like a cute little transparent bookmark. Really cute, again, to place in the planner. Oh, I forgot. Yes, I did choose some other fun stuff. Okay, so we get another bookmark here. I'll open it up and let you guys see because I believe it's more than one. It's really thick, so let's see. Oh, yeah, so it's two. Adjust your crown and get started. This one is a nice little family bucket list. Oh, that's really cute. I definitely need to add that. And then this one has like little self-care prompts on it. Ooh, really neat. Fun way to use that as a bookmark. All right, so here are, y'all, do y'all see this? Okay, so here we are also going to be getting these beautiful, these are gold foil bee vellum dashboards. But do y'all see this nice little like silk velvety, oh my gosh. Okay, so that's the bee vellum dashboard. And then we also going to get a 3-piece cardstock dashboard set. So that's the set there. This is the grit, giving you the definition of grit. I love this. And then that's the back of it. And then also this one here. So yes, I love this. This is really cute. And then we also got some inserts in here as well. So we got I think this is a monthly number 22 planner insert. So I'm going to take this out and let you guys take a look at that as well. I think this is the monthly. No, I'm sorry. This is a biohacking tracker. I'm sorry. So I did get the size 6 inserts. And so that's what the biohacking trackers look like. Great to have and to keep track of things. Definitely will be using this somehow in my planner. And then I also got the monthly. This is the monthly planner insert. So let me let you get a closer look at what it looks like in the inside. And then you have your title page here. And then you get your quarters in the front at a glance, your 4 quarters at a glance. And then you also get some holiday there. And so that's what the monthly looks like. It starts at April. Then you go to May. And then you have your May monthly. And that way you can keep up all of your monthly, just all of like your monthly tasks and stuff. So It goes all the way to December, so that's really great. I'll probably use this for like my fitness planner. I'm still deciding on what I want to use that monthly section for. But all in all, it's great to kind of put together and create a cute little monthly planner with all of the accessories that come with this. And I just love the theme for the May subscription box. As you can see, I got all of the good things. I got my little Sweet Dreams tea bag sample. Definitely going to be brewing that one night as my little nightcap. And let me know down in the comments what was one of your favorite items that you saw in this subscription box. One of my favorites is the gold bangle, because they also noted that that gold bangle is for us to wear as a gentle reminder that we need to take care of ourselves. So I just thought that was amazing. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button to see more videos from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.